Hello all, welcome to unboxing of PhonoBox S2 Ultra. Got it from Analog Seduction, Royal Mail, and had to pay a duty of 2700 approx. They opened it, inspected it and resealed it. Okay. Yeah, this is the box. They did not open the box to check everything, looks like. Yeah, here is the unit. You can see it has got these dip switches at the bottom. Front is a very plain and simple. Yeah, let me focus. Okay. And back side is also really plain. Plugs for different geographies. And here is the wall wart itself. It is 18 volt 500 milliampere R. Yeah. Well, that's it for the simple unboxing. Thank you for watching.